Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah and today we're back at Lowe's and we're going to take a look at some of the fall color. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to put a link to my latest garden tour in the description box below, my August garden tour, so you can see what my garden looks like. I know I do a lot of these shopping videos, but I also do a lot of other videos about my own garden. So I'm going to put the link below if you want to check it out. So let's head inside the Lowe's Garden Center and see what they have. It is the middle of August right now. All right, out front they have these really pretty yellow celosia. They're a really light yellow color. These are $6.98. They get 6 by 15. They also had this really bright pink celosia for $6.98 as well. Same size, tall and wide on that one. And then they had this hazy aster, which is pink with a yellow center. $7.98 on that. These are 18 by 24. And then they also had another color, which was more of a purple color, that's called Believer Hybrid Aster, also $7.98, and the same height and width on that one. And I usually see this Montauk Daisy this time of year. It is $7.98. These get pretty tall, 24 by 36 high by 18 to 24 wide. And then this was a beautiful, really bright perennial called a crocosmia. I've never seen one of these before. This was Lucifer crocosmia, 48 inches tall by 40 inches wide. So that's a really tall perennial, but that would be a really neat statement in your garden for $17.98, especially in the fall time. They also had this really pretty bowl of the Super Cal Pechoa for $14.98. They were really pretty, like muted fall colors in this copper toned bowl. It was plastic, but it really looked like hammered copper. It was really pretty. And then I saw a sign for the Porch Perfect from Nature's Way Farms. It's a woman-owned business that did all the porch containers here. And there were so many crotons. Everywhere I looked, it was a croton, but they were beautiful. $15.98 on these. These just came in like a plain cream or orange container. And then I saw these in these really beautiful baskets. These really remind me of what I have at my house for $29.98. These are only hardy down to 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so definitely need to be brought inside if it gets colder than that where you live. But I really like these baskets. They had handles on them. They were like a plastic material, but they looked really real, like real wicker. Then they also had this black version of the basket. The handles were a little more outturned for some reason, but still the same kind of look as the other ones for $29.98 as well. And these were really cute, these plaid containers. You can see they have that, real fall look to them. The only negative I could see is that information there is like printed on there. It's not a sticker, it was printed on there. So you'd have to keep these turned a certain way, but that's okay. You don't really see it if that's to the back there. And then they also had these, which had a really pretty design of some pumpkins. They almost look like they were painted on. And this was a taller container with asparagus fern, crotons, and some other tropical plants. But this was interesting because these actually had a flat back to them. They're $59.98. And there's the information on that. But you can see that these are meant to put up against, a house or a garage, something like that. Here's one where you can see the back of it. See how that's flat? You could set that up against, your house on the porch. And then I saw some more mums. These were really tiny containers of yellow mums for $4.98. I'm not sure how much bigger these would get because they're already looking like they're ready to bloom. So those would be good for a small space. And then they also had the bigger containers for $7.98. These were a purple mum. And then they also had the red color. And I saw these much larger containers of the asparagus fern, the croton for $36.98. These were in like a taupe colored container. And then they also had these like plastic whiskey barrel ones with a fern and a croton. These were $56.98. You could definitely use those containers, you know, another time. And then these were awesome snake plants in that same basket container. Those looked really, really cool. I really like the look of those, and the snake plants were huge. These were $29.98. And here's a really, really large container. It had 2 crotons in it, and it was almost like a boat-shaped black container there, and that was $74.98. And these were really pretty, very simple, just a fern in that same basket container. I really like these. These were $29.98. And here we have some caramel coral bells. These were really pretty, $17.98. A real muted color, like a green and definitely caramel. I can see that in there. All right, then we're heading over to the clearance rack. Here's your reminder of the pricing on clearance. They had a bunch of succulents on the clearance rack here, but I wasn't sure exactly how much these were because they were not marked. You know, here's the tag. I didn't see a price, but they were on sale. And I found these lamb's ear, which I was excited to find these because I was looking at them the other week, interested in buying them. They were $7.98 originally, so they were marked down to $4. And these are 18 by 24, tall and wide. And then I didn't film this in the store, but I did when I got home. I ended up picking up the Mr. Goodbud sedum, also $7.98, so that was $4. This gets to be about 16 by 12. So here are my purchases for the day. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see where these end up in my garden. Now is the time to start thinking about your fall containers. I hope this video helped you get an idea of what's out there in the stores right now so you can start planning what you want your fall containers to look like. I normally don't switch my containers out completely for fall, but I do like to, you know, add or subtract things as needed once the temperatures start to change outside. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching today, and don't forget to check out my August garden tour that I'll have a link for in the description box for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.